Hello, this is what my nearby Walmart looks like today. Not very much to choose from, as you can see as we go along. Lots of trim, bias tape. Tell me what you think and what your Walmart is looking like. Very limited amount of sewing supplies, and they are very expensive. This is what they're stocking. Old patterns. Their price $8.94. They're older patterns. Costos. Older ones. These are $2.97. It's so simple. By McCall's. I'm gonna grab one of these bag patterns. I've never actually sewn the bag. I want to see what that's about. Doll clothes. This is all they have in the Walmart, the closest Walmart that's next to me as far as sewing is concerned. Here's a dollar rack. Let's see what they have on that. This is all the fabric. And look at the price. Better Homes and Garden. Not a very good selection at all, and it's expensive. These are pre-cuts, your bundles. So these are the bundles. Looks like mostly flannel, and they're going for $4.57. Some are, these are 6. Plain ones are $4.57. Designs $6.57, and they are 1.5 yards. These are poly cotton, 2 yards for $6.33. A variety of colors. Thin. These are 100% cotton. Not much. And that's it.